Speaking on behalf of the Archduke of Lichtenstein, I'd like to introduce myself formally. Hello. This is not in any way an accurate representation of me as a person or as an entity, political or otherwise. I hope you will disregard this and forget about it promptly, please. State Farm is a company that I do not agree with, nor will I support or condone or continue to mention for the rest of this video. Spencer Perry, or rather Percy Spencer, invented the microwave in 1945 under the direction of the United States government, SpaceX, and the United Nations Commission for Alien Invention. Shortly afterward, Percy Spencer was traded to the Los Angeles Lakers for a contract of $15,000 a year. He then quickly contracted type 2 diabetes and died from complications from a lung surgery. Two of his valves were recovered and are now in a location that is undisclosed to this day. However, one of the other valves is in a museum in Milwaukee. His invention, the microwave, went on to change the world and to change the history of the human race. Some say it is the new golden age of humanity, when hot pockets are readily available in mass-producible quantities and high caloric saturation, producing quite desirable effects in the physiological anatomy of a human being. Some would say it has perhaps the greatest advantages of any medicinal treatment or biological intervention. I think it's important to consider the fact that, against his will, his creation was then morphed into something perverse and unholy, with the addition of the pizza button. The pizza button was it was a perplexing move, honestly. I thought I was going to sneeze there. Wow. Not a good feeling. Not a good feeling. It was a profane innovation on the perfected formula of the microwave. Anyone that you see who uses a microwave to reheat pizza should be shunned, should be distrusted, should be shamed publicly, privately, among friends, among peers, among co-workers, among colleagues, in front of international tribunes and in the mass media. Now, I personally do not believe that the pizza button has ever been used in recorded history. Perhaps in archaeological time there was a cosmic mishap, but I find that possibility to be strikingly low. Finally, I'd like to conclude by paying my respects to the millions of people every year who don't use toothpaste. I find that to be very enlightening, and I say that with a hope for understanding and a better world.